What's up, guys? Next one to the stage, 68 Pontiac. We're gonna paint it blue. Gonna be so cold. Have you shaking like a stripper in the winter. Let's get it, boys.
We have the 13 on that power wrench?
Yeah. Did your 13 go right into that?
Maybe it went
right into the insert? Maybe the whole one. I'm doing the same thing on this side that you did on that side. More snug than I like right here on the back end. I feel like it might start rubbing. But I feel like this side's cool. Yeah, we moved that side. We brought it out. And then the hinges is where we can get it to lower, right? See how it sits really high? That's how it's getting. Even right there is cool. Like even if we can get it to sit there permanently, that's cool. Some screw. Hey guys, thanks for joining us. We just finished this classic. Yeah, I had a great job doing it. Love the color. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and join. I appreciate it. This one, bitch. But, Cielo, we're done. Thanks, brother.
Rolling.
Alright, back at it again. You heathens got a 68 Pontiac. Killed that shit. Old man's here to pick it up. What's up, gang? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you on the next one.